Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix if your Windows 11 stuck in reboot or restart loop. So Windows 11, the latest version from Windows Microsoft, is the most advanced, though it is also prone to errors. So whether the frequency has gone up from the previous version, one such error user have reported is Windows 11 is stuck in a reboot loop. So in this case, when you power on your device and so instead of booting the OS, taking you to the sign in screen, the system is stuck in a loop where it keeps loading windows and crashing on each attempt. So in this video, I'll explain you how can you fix this error in Windows 11 along with the most effective method. So guys, first of all, we need to know that why is Windows 11 stuck in a reboot loop. So there are several reasons about it, and while some might be fixed within a minute or other will take a lot of time. So here are the common reason behind the Windows 11 stuck in a reboot loop error. So problem with the current version of Windows 11, or there could be corrupt system files. There could be also outdated driver on your system, and your system might be infected with the malware or virus, or you might have disabled the secure boot. And when you install Windows 11, your secure boot must be enabled to run Windows 11 successfully on your system. So you can enable it and fix this error. And last reason could be the incompatible or malfunctioning application. So when you know the reason, what could be the reason behind this error to quick troubleshooting. So first of all, guys, what you can do, and first method is actually uh, you have to remove the external and peripheral devices. So in many cases, external peripherals such as printers, speakers, microphones, or because these devices can cause a reboot error in Windows 11. If the connected peripheral is incompatible or malfunctioning, it may prevent the OS from loading. So in this case, guys, you just need to remove all such peripheral with just one basic ones connected to the systems. And now check if the reboot loop error in the Windows 11 is resolved or not. If the problem persists, so you may have to apply the second method. So let's move to the second method, and which is uninstall the recent updates. So if you have recently updates your Windows, and after updating your Windows, you are basically you are having this problem of reboot loop. So what you have to do, you just have to go to your settings on your system. So to go to setting, you can press the Windows button plus I. So it will launch the setting app, and you just need to go to update and security. And you just have to go to view update history, and you can click on this option. So let me little bit go up and install the updates. So as you can see that uh, all the updates with their timing as well, all the send one, and click on install. And after installing, if your problem is resolved, it is good for you. If your problem is still persist, then guys you have to move to the another option and another method, and which is So you can uninstall the latest application you have recently installed. So you can go to the application and I simultaneously, and you just have to go to apps and now go to app and feature. So it is now sort by name. So I'm going to sort it by install date. So you can uninstall the application, any application, by just right clicking on it. So like I have recently installed this one. So just click on this and you can install this application by just clicking on the uninstall button. Understood? So let's move to the another method. If this problem, if your problem doesn't fix with this method, usually, a driver for the connected hardware is also known cause of the reboot loop error in Windows 11. So therefore, I will recommend you to keep all the drivers up to date to remove remove the chances of encountering issue and boost the system performance. So you can uninstall, update all the drivers for the connected hardware by going into the device manager. You just have to search for device manager, DEVIC. So you can see the device manager has been listed here. So just click on it to open. So I was also having a Wi-Fi error. So after uninstalling the recent hardware devices, my error also fixed. If you have recently updated or update any driver on your system, that can also cause such problems. So you can uninstall or update the drivers. So let me see what are the, so like and HID compliant mouse. So Dell touchpad. So you can update this hardware device. So you just need to click on this and search for the drivers. So if there is any update available online, then it will recommend you to install that driver. If there is no, then it will show that there is already uh, installed or it is up to date. So there is no need to uh, update the driver. So you could find another device, hardware devices, like usually we have headphones and microphones hardware devices. So you can update all these hardware devices drivers. So this can fix this error on your system. So guys, another option, so if your problem still persists, then you can apply another method is to scan for the system corrupted file. So you can find the system corrupted file by going into the command prompt, and when you scan the system for checking if there is any system corrupted file, and so it will fix automatically after restarting the system. So how can we start? So let's do this. Because guys, system corrupted files are also known to cause problem with the functioning of the OS. So in this case, you can scan the system by SFS, which is system file checker, which is used to scan for the system corrupted file, and SFS will locate the corrupted file. System files have a cache copy file stored on the computer in case of any error. So those file will be replaced with the copied file, and if there is any problem with the system corrupted file, then guys your problem should be resolved. If the problem doesn't still, if your problem is still not solved, then we'll see another option. So right now let's go with the SFS, which is for the scanning the system corrupted file. So how can we? First of all, you have to go to command prompt with admin. Sorry, command prompt with admin. So you just have to open it as admin to get permission to run such command on your system. Now allow, and now it will open the command prompt. Now you have to type following command here. So you have to type sfc slash scan now, and if there is any system corrupted file, it will replace with the cached copied file of system file. So if there is any problem with the system corrupted file, and usually if there is any system corrupted file, then it can cause a reboot loop in Windows 11. So hope this solution must solve your problem. So usually reboot loop persists with this problem, this solution. So guys, I hope you scan for the malware and virus. So usually malware or virus is infected devices can cause reboot loop. So you can scan your system by Windows Security and see if there is any malware or virus on your system. If there is any virus or malware on your system, it will detect and delete automatically. So you can uh, scan for the malware and virus by Windows Security. So you just have to type Windows Security. Now you can scan. So here you have to pay attention. You just have to scan full scan, because quick scan will selectively scan the system, but full scan will scan all the file on your hard disk and look for any malware or infected file on your system. So once the scan complete, if there is any virus or malware file, infected file, then it will discard or remove the file from your system, and it will be able to fix the reboot loop error on your system. So yeah, guys, these are the methods you can apply to fix a reboot loop on Windows 11, and I hope you get it. If it's still your problem persists, then let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make more solutions on it, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.